Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the monthly time frame, I definitely am still looking at this as either an expanding flat, which would bring us above both of these highs, or possibly a running flat, which would make a lower high. Either scenario, we're still in an uptrend, and it still is going to continue to trend up, I believe. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it is very, very clear that the wave 5 over here is the end of a wave 1. This is a big expanding flat wave 2, and that means that we're already in a wave 3. So this is like a 1, a 2, and we're in the wave 3 of 3. I personally think that, yeah, there's going to be plenty of pullbacks, especially on the shorter time frames, but I do believe that this weekly time frame should continue to make higher highs, higher lows for that wave 3, which is a wave 3 of wave C. So going down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, definitely looks like the trend is continuing. We had a nice 1, 2, 3 waves down. We were kind of thinking that maybe the news this week would cause a bigger correction, but boy, the trend is still up, and it looks like it's going to continue up. You have to remember, especially when we're in a wave 3, that the trend is your friend, and then likely the trend will just keep on making those higher highs and higher lows, especially because a wave 3 is one of the biggest, strongest waves of a trend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this is where we had the big news event this week, which I think in hindsight it's pretty clear that this is actually, if you erase this big spike right here, it's actually just a 1, 2, 3 pullback. You got a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, an ABC pullback, and now we're probably back into another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, which is all subdivisions of that big wave 3 on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame with all that information in mind, we are definitely looking for longs in an uptrend. I believe that this thing is going to at least go up and break these highs up here, which is the daily time frame highs. And like I said, I think this is just another ABC correction right here. This is likely probably just going to keep on trending up. So be very careful trying to go short. I personally would be looking at every move to the downside as an opportunity to go long at the end of a pullback, especially if it really is a 1, 2, 3 pullback like we've been seeing. 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. Even back here, 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. So I'm definitely waiting for more 1, 2, 3 pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.